Hey, early morning, Scott here. So we are just getting at the airport. We're getting ready to head out and take a trip. And so we are actually flying out of Islip, which if none of you people on Long Island or somewhere else know, which I did, there's a airport here, but I think it's like, it looks like it's about the size of like a supermarket. Hey, Scott here. We are at a Yankees game right now. Just been exploring the area, and so we're gonna go head to a landscape lighting facility to check out their stuff. So keep on watching our video here. So we're at Garden World right now. This is one of their machines that actually extract and makes the fixtures. So here's a container full of fixtures that have come out of raw material. They look like that once they're out. When they actually start out as raw material here. And so this raw material, that's one that they have that actually didn't work well, but this is how they start their material out. And they said a big long name what this is, and I didn't catch it, but this will actually make the material for them. Very cool process, which then by doing that, they're using a aluminum material that they take that to get, instead of powder coating, but get it coated so that you don't have to worry about. This is Garden World. This is their site. They've got a whole bunch of fixtures here that are on display, from spots, pathway lights, well and underwater lights, tree lights, older fashioned style, newer. They can kind of do anything you want. They've got these kind of interesting taller fixtures. These are their finishes. So a lot of their material they have here is actually like an anodized coating compared to being powder coated, which is supposed to not be able to be taken off at all. So I can do it, yeah. It's one of those things. These coatings are on there as like a permanent, compared, like this is just a cast brass. So very interesting fixtures, very interesting lights. A lot of different customizable options they have, from their lights, their optics, everything they have. So this is a great company, so we're going to be looking at seeing what we can do with them. So what happens when you drink too much? You do that. That's the guy laying on the floor there who's had too much to drink and fell down. You gotta love Florida. So end of day one, we did some work stuff. We went to Garden World. We did some shop talk stuff, and so we're finished by having some drinks on the beach, and then have sunset, and then we're gonna go grab some dinner somewhere. So I just figured I'd show you the great view. Unfortunately, it probably isn't showing well this way. All right, so that's the sunset view we got. I love my job. I love what it allows me to be able to do at times. I got to thank my manufacturers and suppliers, especially this one, which is brought to us by Mike from Giannini, and how this has allowed us and my wife and I to have some fun. All right, so I found my next project, what I have to fix, because this needs some help. I'm coming back. We will fix this for them. They want dinner. Gotta come in.
I want to do it now. The tiki boat. Where's my husband? Oh.
Correct version.
Little chop on our last morning here. Great view. About 8 o'clock. Came down for some coffee. Little chop. They got some great rocks down there. Beautiful sunrise, nice morning. Great hotel. Enjoyed our time, had fun with friends. Thanks for watching. Last day, morning, we're leaving. So had a great couple days, got to hang out with a bunch of contractors, look at landscape lighting company. We did a boat tour last night, which we didn't do much posting from, but I should have. Actually just hung out, enjoyed myself. Then we hung out with everyone, kind of relaxing. Got up early to, see the sun come up and everything with the wife, and she's hanging out, grabbing some rays. I'm just walking around checking out the areas I didn't really see a lot of the time, where there was a whole lot of people on the way. So great time here in Clearwater, Florida, with a bunch of guys. We had Giannini down here who brought us, and then we had New York Landscape Lighting, Chris Waugh, with us, and then we met up with one of the other contractors down here. All right, so this is the tank that the aquarium guys out of Vegas built at Rumfish. Very cool. First time seeing it. Did an amazing job. Really looks cool what they put together. 360 round tank. Beautiful fish in it. Love it. Great job they did. All right, so we're on the plane heading home. This will be the last one. And
You can sit over there with him.
we are actually got a space between us on this plane. We're the last one we did. Mike and them are over there. They've got a space. Kaplan's over there sitting by himself because his lovely wife is sitting there because she wants a seat. So we went from the plane where we were smushed and everyone was on top of us till we actually have a little bit of room. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, let me know how we could help out, and see you soon.